What you doing, Tom?
Feeding the birds.
Your eyes can deceive you. Don't trust them.
I lost my shoe.
Left untreated, this condition would eventually lead to insanity or even blindness.
See, what is real? Well, now, that's an interesting philosophical question.